Morning, folks. Beginning what I guess is day 4. I don't know. Is it Thursday? Could be Thursday. I don't know. I had to break down and spend a night in a hotel last night. So, I did that. Got up this morning. And now I'm going to go see if I can find some place to take a look at the brakes on the van. They're growling a little bit. Talk to you in a little bit. Alright, just stopped by the Wally World. And you remember what I was telling you yesterday about nomad tips? Don't make a spectacle out of yourself. This is the kind of stuff that gets people asked to not hang around anymore, and the kind of stuff that gets managers to stop allowing it to happen in their parking lots. Now these folks here got all set up, got their lawn chairs out, having a good time. And these folks over here, group number 2, these folks are all hooked up, got their pop-ups out, and got their generator running. So, with that being said, don't make a spectacle out of yourself. Oh, I didn't notice before, they got pop-outs out on both sides. What the hell? Alright, made it to water. Can't go any further this direction. Not without putting the pontoons on. So, haven't found any place to work on my brakes yet. Stopped 2 places and it was one of those, hey, we can get you on Tuesday. I'll be back in Indiana by Tuesday, I hope. So, anyway, let me turn around and pan the harbor for you. On the coast of Maine here. Some good looking boats down there. Now I know this is going to be noisy because it's windy, but turn it volume. Alright, gang, I am here, just getting ready to leave. I'm on the East Coast. In Rockland, Maryland, Rockport, Rock something, Maryland, Maine, not Maryland, Maine. Just had lunch at a place called the Landings Restaurant, and I do things a little bit different sometimes than other folks. I got to this place and they weren't open yet for lunch. I was there about 11:20 and they didn't open until 11:30, so they still had the doors open, or doors locked. So, being the internet aficionado I am, while I was waiting in the parking lot, I started looking at reviews for the place. And, to be honest with you, the first 4 that came up were not good. I usually go, well, you know, people are spoiled nowadays. So, and in many cases, the reviews aren't necessarily a result of bad stuff, but a result of over expectations. So I had lunch there, despite the 4 or 5 bad reviews. Now they had some good reviews too, but the first 4 that came up were bad. And I like to buck the system. So, I went ahead and went there despite the reviews. Sometimes the reviews are spot on. Now, I'll be honest with you. I like seafood. I like all that kind of stuff. If you look at the reviews on this place, it was they were out of this, they were out of that. This wasn't fresh. It was obviously frozen. Da 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 da. And now, don't get me wrong, it wasn't bad. All right. It was a little overpriced. But you know, it's right here on the waterfront and all that kind of stuff, so it's going to be expensive. I don't know if I had a lobster roll because I'm here at lunchtime, and I don't know if it's frozen lobster or if it's not well cared for lobster, but the lobster was kind of loose and watery. Not all that good, especially not for $32 for a 6-inch sandwich. It wasn't horrible, but it surely wasn't the best that it could have been. So, sometimes the reviews are right. Most of the time the reviews are wrong. People over expectations. This time, I would almost go with the reviews. I was in there, well, I was in the parking lot before they opened, and I was in the door 1 minute after they opened, and they were already telling me the stuff that they didn't have and they were out of. I don't know how they ran out. It just opened at 11:30. The water's right here. The commercial docks are right there. So, I don't know. Anywho, I am getting on the road. I still have not found any place that can work on my brakes today. So, I guess I am rolling the dice and taking chances. See you on the road. I am headed back in a generally westerly direction. Back in Vermont. There's nothing I like more than playing 20 questions with the gas pump when it's pouring down rain. Unless, of course, it's freezing rain, blowing snow. So far, so good. Van hadn't exploded yet.